Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennials channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to store notes on your iPhone. So first you go to settings and then you scroll down to notes. So tap on notes and then there it says on my iPhone account. So make sure that it's on. So when you're using an on my iPhone account, it allows you to store notes on this device, but your other notes won't be affected. So it won't be stored in iCloud, but it will only be stored on your iPhone. So that's it for today. I hope it's useful, and thank you for watching.